This is the story of this young gentleman who is 35 years old, who was wearing a wig for many years. So finally, he decided that to say bye-bye to the wig, and he have come to GLOJAS, and we have performed a procedure, smart FE, for him to tackle his wig problem. So this was the area he used to cover with a wig. Today, you can see it's almost 2 years. All the hair already grown, and this is the hair now is covering the bald area. Can you share with us your feeling about this?
I am very happy now. Then I feel very comfortable, and I don't have to spend many times on wearing wigs. Bye bye to wigs.